Hello viewer, we are using the designs here. Explore the different options we have. I will find these styles to have an attraction as well. So we will keep on editing, make some random shapes here. Take random designs, colors and gradients to fill up these shapes. Now we will apply the changes around it. Use the different features here. So there we have to make an attraction there. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get the update while we add a video on our channel.